Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to subscribe. I do a lot of these kinds of shop with me's. This is becoming kind of my thing. I'm really enjoying it. I think you guys are enjoying it. So please consider sticking around and hit that red subscribe button. But without further ado, let's jump into a little Amazon shop with me. Okay, so I'm going to share some of my favorite Amazon buys that I have gotten in the past that I bring on all of my Disney vacations, and I just wanted to share some of these with you. So the first is a large portable charger, and I actually have two. I bring both of them to Disney World with me, but the one that I have is, it's the, let's see if I can find it. I have the Anchor. I have them both in the large and the small, but I have it in the rose gold. This looks like a newer one. So I have like a rose gold. Let's see if I can find it. Rose gold portable charger. This is the one I have. It's the Power Ad, and it I'm not sure what mine does 4 charges, and if you see like in this little, if you guys can see those kind of 1, 2, 3, 4 dots next to the input jack, whatever it's called, it actually will start with 4 charges and it goes down each time it charges. So it's really nice. It shows you how much how much power you have left on it. I love this charger so much, like so much, and oh my gosh, what a good price. And look, there's all these different colors, but I've had this charger for I've had this charger for at least 2 years at this point. And then I actually have this small Anchor charger. So I have this large one, and then I have a small, and it really only charges 1. It's this one. Wow, it's essentially the same price. Ha! So mine only charges 1 charge, but this may have more charges. 2 charges. And it looks different. It's definitely older than this version, because I've had it for several years. This is the one I have. There it is. And it's $20. It's even more expensive than the Power Ad one I have. Anyway, so I have this little one, then I have a larger one. But I love both of them, and I use them both pretty much equally. So next this is for parents out here, not a stroller. Stroller fan. And I will show you the one. I've got this one. And I will link all of this stuff below of all of the things that I have. So I have this one. I love it. You can charge it and then put it on your stroller, and in fact I'll use my portable charger when it runs out. I will use my portable charger to keep it charged. In fact, I'll bring the little one just for the fan, and it's great. So I have this one for the stroller, and then I also have a personal fan. Like, there's all these different ones, but I have this one right here. Like I said, I'll link everything below in this color, but they have obviously several different colors. And, oh, 2 items. What does that mean? You get 2 of them? Oh, for half off. Not bad. All right. There you go. You can get one for everybody in your party. So I love this necklace. Portable fan. Now I will say one thing. It does take 2 AA batteries, which are not included, and I forgot them last time, so don't forget them. Now next is this waterproof phone case pouch. And I have this one. I just got the clear one with just like black and clear, and it's amazing. It's great, especially for going in the spring or the summer, even the fall when it's warm and you're deciding to go to the pool, or you want to go to Typhoon Lagoon or Blizzard Beach or whatever, even Alani or the cruise line, whatever it may be. This is really awesome for keeping your phone protected. And you can also stick credit cards or money. It's all safe in there, and it's nice to have. And you can wear it around your neck, and you never have to put it down or leave it anywhere. Now, this is one I feel like a lot of people don't think of, but a phone tripod is actually, you don't even need to be like a vlogger or anything. It's just great to have a phone tripod when you go in the parks. I'm trying to find the handheld one. Not a selfie stick. Do not bring a selfie stick to the parks because they will confiscate it from you. Selfie sticks are not allowed in the park. Phone handheld tripod. Let's see if we can find one. I know a lot of people who have one that's similar to that and they love it. What is this? Y'all, I just want this. It's a portable fan, plus it holds your phone. This is practical, actually. This is very practical in Florida. I need that. Mine is like a really tiny tripod. I will try and find something similar. I mean, this works. This was the first tripod I ever had. If you guys want to go back and see the first video I ever did, this was the little tripod I had, and it comes with just like a little remote that allows you to, it's a Bluetooth remote that allows you to kind of turn the phone on and off and take pictures and all of that good stuff. But this is similar to the one that I had, so we'll say that one. I have a wire one, but I think it came with something else that I ordered, so I don't know that you can actually purchase it alone. But this is the first one that I ever had, and it's fine because the weight of a phone is not super heavy. I wouldn't recommend this for a camera, but it's a great alternative for your phone. Now next, I swear by packing cubes. And if you actually want to go and purchase some packing cubes, oh my goodness, they have so many different packing cubes on Amazon. Now, if it were me, I have just regular packing cubes, but I've always wanted the ones that are the compression packing cubes, you guys. I want compression packing cubes. Like, what? Here. So these are compression packing cubes, and they start off like a certain size, like how luggage is. You know how it's like larger, and then you can even make it even smaller. That's what I want. I want compression packing cubes. One day, y'all, one day I'm going to get compression packing cubes. Look at this. It's in pink. Oh, they're not even in stock till March 28th, but one day, you guys, I'm going to do this. Look at that. I'm going to get this stuff. So I don't have compression packing cubes, but I do have just regular ones. So, but I recommend if you're going to invest in the packing cube, you might as well just get the compression packing cubes. Now this is another one for parents out there, sticker books. Ruthie is obsessed with sticker books. Look at these. I don't like the reusable ones. I don't mind the repositional sticker ones, but the reusable ones, you never seem to reuse them. You know, they're kind of like that vinyl or the cling. I can't even remember the name of it. You guys can leave a comment below and remind me of the name of the cling that they use for those reusable stickers, but we never seem to reuse them. And I'm not huge on MLMs, but the Osborne books actually have some really decent sticker books. We do prefer Melissa and Doug. Right now my daughter is going through a bunch of Melissa and Doug's, and we have these like sticker pads. We've done it all. So I will link a few of our favorite kind of sticker books down below so you guys can see what we enjoy, and you can work kind of within the realm of whatever your kid's into. Diggers and dumpers, making faces. Obviously there's a Disney sticker book. I don't necessarily recommend this just because the stickers are hard to match to the actual character. If you're gonna use that one, I would use it for an older kid. But other than that, no, this is great. And then this, of course, the raincoat, because it is so rainy. And there's some really, okay, that's like, I don't know that I would wear a clear one, but there's some like really, like, I love this one. I have no idea if it's good or bad, but I love it. I think it's so adorable. Isn't that cute, you guys? Look at that. It's just really pretty. I have a North Face one. Raincoat North Face. We'll see if we can find it. Oh, that's cute. See, this is my issue. I get on Amazon and I'm like, oh, I want it all. This is a girl's, like a little kid's jacket, it looks like. Maybe I could put it in order. North Face raincoat. I probably have this one. I don't know, mine's so old. I'll link one of these below. It's probably this one. And mine's in like a light blue color, which I'm sure they don't have anymore, but I will. I'll link one of these below. We'll see which one. You guys will have to wait and see. And then these mesh pouches, mesh pouch with zipper. I love these bags for my park bag, and I'm going to do an updated park bag, so if you are not subscribed, subscribe so that you can keep an eye out for that video if that kind of content interests you. I did get some brand new mesh bags, and they look pretty similar to this and this, though they are 3 different sizes. So all these different sized bags, I love this for my park bags because it can hold different stuff, and what fits in, what like diapers fit in, snacks don't necessarily need to fit in or take us up as much space. So these are so awesome for sticking in your park bag and just organizing, so it's easy to grab stuff out as you need it, especially if you have kids. And then I have this. I have a Stitch Loungefly. And then I also have this Stitch Loungefly backpack, which I use for, I don't even know if you can get it on here anymore, but it looks similar to that one, so I will link that one if I can't find, oh, that's so cute. I will link that one below, but I have the Stitch Loungefly backpack that I use all the time for the Disney parks. I really love taking that one in. I don't know if it doesn't look like it's still sold on here, which is fine. I will link this one. This one is a similar kind of dupe, and it's still by Loungefly. It still has Stitch on it. Super cute. But I love my Loungefly backpack. Yeah, I love my Loungefly backpack. But basically, I feel like any backpack will do. I've actually moved into, I got a Disney Cruise Line backpack, and so we are currently in the Disney Cruise Line backpack because I love those Disney backpacks. I just love the feel of them. But you can, if they bring them back, you'll be able to purchase them in the park and whatnot. And then I also want to just throw this in here because you can actually get the Disney Park ears. Like, this is the Disney Park ears. You can purchase these on Amazon. And I just wanted to show you that you can also get all different kinds of ears that are not necessarily Disney Park ears, but dupes. Like, those are cute. And what? Disney Mickey Mouse glow in the dark drawstring backpack. That's really cute. Plus 2 wristlets. What? You guys, this is really cute. And it comes with that. 2 gold, 2 silver. You have to buy 2? What if you just want to buy 1? What? Plus an autograph book. What? Guys, that's really cute. I wonder what people have to say about it. Are there any 67 customer reviews? Look at all these people in there. This is really cute. What? It's glow in the dark? Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, well, probably gonna stick that in my cart. If you guys want it all. I like this one. It's a little bit different. It's got, look at this. I like the gold though. You guys, I want the gold. It comes with an 12. What? What's small head? Oh, these autograph books are different. Look at that. I like this one. The star head. Alright, well, I'm going to add that to my cart. Okay. Add it to my cart. But look at all these different backpacks, you guys. Oh no, we're going down this Mickey hole. It's so cute though. Okay, we're going to end on that note because otherwise I'm going to be sending all my money to Amazon. Hee. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for all of your support that you guys have been giving me. I can't even, I'm so overwhelmed with the amount of people who are just like jumping in and commenting and chatting with me on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's Allison Wdwgirl. Super active over there. I'm really active on here. I really love this community. I love the community that you guys are building, that you're helping create, and it's just been so much fun getting to know you guys. So please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I would love to do more shop with me's. I have kind of a Dollar Tree series that's going on, and I have some more ideas for the Dollar Tree series, so keep an eye out for those videos as well. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.